guys, flex ko lang ulit yung aking ginawang pampaswerte na ball. Yan siya. May tatlong sobre. Ang laman niyan is $168. Ito, may laurel, may itlog, may mansanas, may mga coins, at saka star anise, may egg. Ayan. Naway gumanda ang aking buhay at ang aking buong pamilya, ang aking boss, para may sahod kami lagi. More monies to come. Happiness, good health, abundance, prosperity. So, Happy New Year's guys! Sa lahat, naway gumanda ang ating mga buhay. Gumaan ang ating buhay. Mayroon din ang cotton guys para pampagaan ang buhay. Yan. So guys, gawin nyo rin to kasi totoo ito guys. Every year ko to ginagawa. So more blessings to come. In good health and long life. So yun lang guys. Happy New Year. Happy 2024. And more years to come. Everyone, especially me, my husband, my child, my son, and to all my families. Love you guys. Happy New Year.